video we tried to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location is nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 5. We talk about the boundaries of this hotel, so you can see on the screen will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is excellent. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, follow your description link. If you are facing any kind of problem with this hotel, you can give us like 20 minutes. If you are going to visit this hotel, please share this video in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't